Captain Cook on the west side of the island. We're gonna drive over to Hilo. It's about a 2-hour drive, I think, but we're gonna take our time and do a loop using the Shaka guide who we used on the road to Hana. So we just drove from, we're making our way from from Kona over to Hilo, and we just passed Waimea, and on the way there's a bunch of lava tubes apparently you can go into. We are listening to the Shaka guide and he told us to pull off here and try and check out one of these lava tubes, so we'll see. But look, we went literally from volcano and desert to, I feel like I'm in Ireland or New Zealand. It's nuts.
So cool.
So we just came from the Shire. Now we're at the Waipiʻo Valley Lookout. Apparently you can go down into this valley. If you're gonna come to the Big Island, I would say definitely have to, easy 2-minute walk from the parking lot. Amazing views. I can't say if you go down to the valley, but at least to look.
But you can also see the waterfall and the black sand beach and stuff off from that lookout.
All right, back to the loop. We're gonna make our way towards Hilo. Hilo. So we're at the Akaka Falls State Park. There's 2 waterfalls. There's a circle route, I think it's a half mile, $5 entry fee. And we can already hear the falls. We know they're back there somewhere. Okay, before it felt like we were in the movie The Hobbit or Lord of the Rings. Today, or I guess right now, it feels like we are in Avatar. Oh, and more of the story on the Akaka Falls. The old Hawaiian myth is there was a old chief Chief Akawaki or Akaka.
Yeah, this one.
He cheated on his wife, felt guilty about it, jumped off a cliff. Wife went to the cliff to prevent him. She was too late, so she cried. Her tears formed the waterfall, and then she turned into a stone. So as Heather said, she got the short end of the stick on that one.
Both ones.
I think we're going this way. When we did the Pipwai Trail in Maui, we got the waterfall from the surface. Here, we can actually see it from above. Fun fact, twice the height of Niagara Falls, 442 feet. I think it's the largest waterfall in Hawaii. Nope, there's a bigger one in Waihilo.
That's 2,000.
Holy sh**. We just made it out of Hilo, kind of did a loop around the northern end. We're gonna go back to Kona. We have an awesome dinner planned tonight. We just wanted to point it out, this is probably the 6th different microclimate we've been in today. We started off in a land of lava. It was like a desert. And then we made it through the Shire. then we made it to Waipiʻo Lookout. Then we drove through Akaka Falls, which is like Avatar. And now we're in a mountain. And apparently it's like 50 degrees out. I can't see more than 20 feet in front of me. And I think we're going over one of the mountains on the way back to Kona. Made it back from our trip. I'd say overall one of the best road trips I've done. We went to a beach, through a lava field, through a jungle, and then over a mountain or a volcano. Now we're back in Captain Cook, and then Heather booked a restaurant called Jackie Ray's. So we're gonna go eat dinner there. Tomorrow we're actually gonna do the Volcano National Park or State Park, and then we're leaving Hawaii, unfortunately. This is what we hear every night.